Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today for dinner I'm cooking beef bites. So I'm gonna use garlic and butter. So these are going to be garlic and butter beef bites. So what I have here is I've got steak, rump steak, which I'm going to remove the white part, the fat of the meat, and just remove the white bits. So just cutting this beef into cubes. So just like that, guys, cubes. So you can use rump steak or you can use any other steak that you have, but so this is what I have today. I'm just gonna make these beef bites, garlic and butter beef bites. So I'm just cutting this into cubes. Alright, a tablespoon of garlic paste, black pepper, so just a teaspoon of black pepper, some salt, a teaspoon of salt, all-purpose seasoning, a teaspoon of that, paprika, just a little bit of paprika, and some beef stock seasoning, just a tablespoon, or just a little bit of oil to marinate the beef. Now I'm just gonna marinate the beef for about 15 minutes. Just adding some oil in a large pan. So I'm just cooking for about 4 minutes on each side. So now I'm going to set this. Now I'm gonna cook another batch. A little bit of oil. Okay, guys, I'm using ram steak, which I've seasoned with salt and pepper, paprika, garlic, and all-purpose seasoning. So those are the seasonings I've used. So I'm going to cook this for 4 minutes on each side, and then adding 1 tablespoon of butter, and then a tablespoon of garlic. Just adding garlic chives.